The first user story, allow admin user to configure site footer, focuses on letting the admin user change the site footer. Let's check out the description. The user story states that as an admin user, you should have the ability to configure the site footer sections, links, and content. This means that the site footer on the Sports Hub portal will always consist of up-to-date information. Let's see how an admin user can achieve this. When you navigate to the site footer configuration page, you will see 3 tabs: Company Info, Contributors, and Newsletter, which will be viewed in a separate feature. The Company Info is the default tab. The active tab will always be highlighted. Each tab will consist of a table with the following 3 columns: footer menu names, hide/show, and actions. The Company Info tab contains the following rows: About Sports Hub, News/in the Press, Advertising/Sports Blogger Ad Network, Events, and Contact Us. When you hover over either the About Sports Hub or Contact Us rows, the delete icons won't appear. However, if you hover over the other table rows, you will see the delete icon. When you click it, the appropriate item will be deleted. And if you want to make any of the rows visible or invisible to the site users, simply use the Show section toggle. When you click on either of the first 4 items in the table, to the right of the table an editing section will appear with headline text field, content text area, cancel and save buttons. However, when you click Contact Us, you will see a different editing form appear to the right of the table, which will consist of 3 fields: address, telephone, and email. When you're done editing any of the rows, to save the changes, click the Save button below the editing field. If you want to add a new footer page, click the plus New Footer Page button, located in the upper right corner of the page. A pop-up window will appear, where you have to type in the name of your footer. After you're done, click the Add button. If you want to cancel the action, click Cancel. After adding the new footer page, the item will be added to the Company Info tab and Edit form will open on the right side. In the Company Info tab you will also see the Privacy and Terms table with 2 rows, Privacy Policy, and Terms and Conditions. Note that when you hover over either of the 2 rows, the Delete button will not appear as they are mandatory. After clicking on any of the rows, you will see an editing section open to the right of the table. You will see headline text field, content text area, cancel and save buttons. When you view the Contributors tab, you will see the configuration table with the following rows: Featured Writers Program, Featured Team Writers Program, Internship Program. You can configure this tab in the same way as the Company Info tab. By following the user story of allow admin user to configure site footer, you, as an admin user, have the ability to configure the site footer sections, links, and content on the Sports Hub portal. By managing the site footer, you can ensure that users have access to relevant and useful information about the site. The second user story, allow users view site footer on the portal, focuses on letting the site user view the site footer on the Sports Hub portal. Let's check the description. The user story states that as a site user, you want to be able to see the site footer on every page of the Sports Hub site with the links configured by the admin. Let's take a deeper look at it. When you view any page on the site as a site user, you will notice the site footer at the bottom of the page. The site footer will contain 3 columns: Company Info, Contributors, Newsletter, Sports Hub logo, and the Privacy and Terms links. The Company Info column will consist of the following links: About Sports Hub, News/in the Press, Advertising/Sports Blogger Ad Network, Events, and Contact Us. These links will direct you to the corresponding pages where you can learn more about the company. The Contributors column will consist of the following links: Featured Writers Program, Featured Team Writers Program, and Internship Program. These links will direct you to the corresponding pages where you can learn more about the contributors. The Sports Hub logo will be displayed at the left side of the site footer. By clicking the logo, you will be redirected to the home page of the site. And the Privacy and Terms links will be displayed at the right of the site footer. These links will direct you to the corresponding pages where you can read the privacy policy and the terms and conditions of the site. By following the user story of allow users view site footer on the portal, you, as a site user, have the ability to see the site footer on every page of the Sports Hub site with the links configured by the admin. By accessing the site footer, users can find useful and relevant information about the site, its company, its contributors, and its policies. And with that, we conclude our series dedicated to the site footer on the portal. We've explored 2 user stories, each designed to give a deeper view into the site footer and what items it comprises of. We've covered how an admin user can configure the sections of the footer, namely company info and contributors, along with the items that comprise these sections. Remember that this feature is crucial to allowing admin users to have freedom over what they want to display on the site footer and how they want to configure the elements that go there.